good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're tuning in, I am happy to see you here. Today, we are going to continue working on our multiplication facts. So last week when we were in class, we practiced multiplying by 0, and we also practiced multiplying by 1. Now, when we multiplied by 0, can you remember what the product was? Reminder, product is a fancy word for answer in multiplication. But we're going to use those fancy words because we're mathematicians. So, back to my question. What is the product when I multiply something by 0? Yes!
I found this on the web.
It's 0! Sorry, Siri wanted to answer that. The answer is always 0 when I'm multiplying by 0. Oh, I didn't use my fancy math term. The product is always 0 when I multiply by 0. And the product when I multiply by 1 is whatever number I'm multiplying by 1. Today, I wanted to show you 2 new multiples. Times 2 and multiplying by 4. When we multiply a number by 2, we are doubling it. I'm taking 2 of whatever I started with. So you can see, do you see the pattern? 12. Even the answers are counting by 2. And I noticed something. All of these answers are even numbers. Pretty neat how that happened. So when we learn and when we master our facts, our multiplying by 2 facts, it's going to be easier for us to know our times 4s. Because look at this. So let's look at 4 times 2. 4 times 2 has a product of 8. 4 times 4 has a product of 16. Isn't 8 plus 8 16? Okay, let me look at another one here. How about 7 times 2? 7 times 2, what's the product? The product is here. The product is 14. Now in 7 times 4, my product is 28. Let's see, 14 plus 14. So, if you can learn and master your times 2 facts, you are one step closer to learning your times 4s. Because we're taking this, and look, it just gets doubled. And that makes sense because 2 times 2 is 4. So if you know how to multiply by 2, you'll know how to multiply by 4. Keep practicing those math facts because I want you to have them memorized. We won't have time to make arrays for all of our multiplication facts once we start doing our time test. So you want to get those facts stuck inside your head. And don't worry, we'll take it one bite at a time. We won't try to memorize them all in one day. Yay, yay, yay. I'm still practicing.